Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can remove Capcut watermark or Capcut logo from our project. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my Capcut application, and the Capcut watermark usually appear at the end of our video, and I'm going to show you how we can remove it. If you want to remove it, we can simply click on the watermark or the logo, then we can click on delete. Okay, and now the Capcut watermark has been removed from my video. But if we do this step, the watermark will keep appearing on our new project. So anytime we create new project on Capcut, the watermark will appear again. And I'm going to show you how we can permanently remove this logo or this watermark from our project. You can go to the setting on Capcut. You can go to your profile first, and then you can click on the setting icon, and you can turn off the default ending right here. Wait, I'm going to click on this toggle button to turn it off. Then you can click on Discord, and after that the watermark won't appear again on your project. Alright guys, and that's all the way to remove watermark from CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.